It's great to see the positive responses to the Black Lives Matter movement. As human beings, we should stop hating one another. We should kick racism and discrimination out of sports, school, politics, and all areas of our lives. And not only that, we should restore broken relationships. Sin has broken our world. Sin has wrecked our relationship with God. But the Creator has not given up on us. As all lives matter to Him, He has already taken the initiative to reconcile with all human souls, which He demonstrated on the cross of Jesus Christ. Let's ponder the good news of Jesus Christ. For if while we were enemies, we were reconciled to God by the death of His Son, much more, now that we are reconciled, shall we save by His life? Let's pose a question to God. Dear God, can you give me the wisdom and the strength to reconcile with others? Let's practice what you learned. Pray that you can reconcile with others. Let's proclaim to others about your experiential knowledge. Share your efforts of reconciling with someone, with a fellow Christian.